Hello, it's me here with another request from a viewer. In today's installment, we're going to look at the lion. You asked for 5 interesting facts or pieces of information about lions, so that's what we're going to do. And just before we get started, if you enjoy these videos, please do click that subscribe button because it does help reach more people and it's free. So let's get into the information about lions. And for this first piece of information, I wanted to talk about where they live. Now, lions can be found in a variety of environments, but typically they prefer grassland and savanna habitats. They are well adapted to hunting on the open plains and can also thrive in areas with scattered trees. Lions have been known to inhabit a wide range of environments, including mountainous regions and even dense forests. However, they generally avoid areas with thick vegetation because it makes it difficult for them to hunt. In terms of their preferred habitat, lions are not picky about the vegetation type. They can be found in habitats with shrubs, tall grasses, or even mountainous terrain. They are also good swimmers and can often be found near water sources such as rivers and lakes. However, lions typically avoid areas with dense rainforests as they prefer more open spaces for hunting. This is why lions are mostly found in grasslands and savannas rather than in dense forests. Their preference for open habitats allows them to maintain visibility while hunting and also facilitates territorial communication through scent marking and visual displays. Now, for my second piece of information, I wanted to talk about where lions live in relation to humans. Now, lions have historically inhabited a vast range across Africa, extending from the Atlas Mountains in Morocco to the southern parts of Africa. However, their current distribution has been significantly fragmented due to human activities such as habitat destruction and hunting. Today, lion populations are found in smaller, isolated groups within their former range. One notable stronghold is the Serengeti ecosystem in Tanzania and northern Kenya, which is home to the largest remaining population of lions. Another significant population is found in South Africa, particularly in the Kruger National Park and surrounding areas. Additionally, lions can be found in various protected areas throughout eastern and southern Africa, including national parks and game reserves. These populations, however, remain vulnerable due to factors such as human-wildlife conflict and prey availability. To ensure the long-term survival of lions, conservation efforts are crucial to protect their habitat and mitigate threats posed by human activities. For my third piece of information, I thought we'd look at what a group of lions is called. A group of male lions is called a pride. However, there are different collective nouns used for lions depending on the context. For example, a group of lionesses is referred to as a pride or a clan, while a group of cubs is called a litter or a cohort. The term pride is widely recognized and used to describe a group of lions, especially when referring to a pride of lions led by a dominant male. For my fourth piece of information, I wanted to talk about the diet of the lion. Lions are obligate carnivores, which means they must consume meat to survive. They have a varied diet and will hunt a wide range of prey, including antelopes, zebras, wildebeest, buffaloes, giraffes, and even elephants. Lions typically hunt large ungulates, but they are also capable of catching fish and smaller mammals such as rodents. They use their sharp teeth and powerful jaws to deliver a fatal bite to their prey, usually targeting vital organs. Lions are highly adaptable in their feeding habits and will scavenge if their prey is scarce. They often feed on carcasses left behind by other predators or scavengers. This adaptability allows them to survive in different habitats and prey environments. For my fifth piece of information, I wanted to talk about how long lions live. Now, the lifespan of a lion depends on various factors including habitat, diet, and interactions with humans. In the wild, lions typically live for 10 to 14 years, with females generally living longer than males. The oldest recorded lion in the wild was a 23-year-old female named Sita, who lived in Tanzania's Serengeti National Park. In captivity, with proper care and management, lions can live up to 20 to 25 years. Their lifespan is influenced by factors such as access to veterinary care, a controlled environment, and a lack of threats from predators or human activities. Now, if you've ever wondered whether lions can roar underwater, the answer is no. While lions are good swimmers and can stay underwater for extended periods, they cannot produce their signature roar while submerged. Roaring is a unique vocalization that occurs in the cat family, and it requires the use of specialized structures in the upper respiratory tract. These structures are not present in aquatic mammals such as whales and dolphins, which also cannot roar. Instead, lions vocalize underwater using other sounds such as growls and hisses to communicate with each other. Underwater, sound travels differently than in air, and animals have evolved specialized adaptations to produce and perceive sounds in aquatic environments. For example, whales and dolphins use a variety of whistles, clicks, and pulses to communicate over long distances in the ocean. Now, if you're wondering why lions live in groups, there are several reasons why lions live in groups. Group living offers numerous advantages, and the reasons can be categorized into three main points. The first one is hunting. By working together, lions can take down larger prey that would be difficult for a single lion to tackle. They can also cover more ground while hunting and have better success rates when in a group. Number two is defense. Living in a group provides safety in numbers when defending their territory or when there is a threat from other predators. There is strength in numbers, and a pride of lions can effectively defend itself against intruders. Finally, the third point is breeding. Lions typically have a social hierarchy within prides, and the dominant male is responsible for breeding with the females in the group. This social structure ensures the continuation of their bloodline and the perpetuation of the pride. If you've ever wondered why lions sleep during the day, there are two primary reasons. The first one is energy conservation. Lions are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk, and these times offer an ideal balance between temperature and light conditions for hunting. Sleeping during the day allows them to conserve energy and avoid the harsh midday heat, which helps them be more active during their preferred hunting times. Secondly, lions need to recover from their nighttime activities. Hunting at night requires a lot of energy, and sleeping during the day allows them to rest and recover before their next hunting session. This also helps them maintain their physical fitness and be prepared for the challenges of nocturnal hunting. If you've ever wondered why lions chase their prey, it's primarily to exhaust the animal before delivering the fatal bite. Chasing is an essential part of a lion's hunting strategy, and it serves multiple purposes. First, it allows the lion to assess the prey's fitness and stamina. By observing how the prey animal runs and reacts, the lion can determine its health and ability to escape. Secondly, chasing helps the lion build up a thermal image of its prey, allowing for a more accurate and efficient attack. This also helps the lion conserve its own energy while increasing the prey's heart rate and body temperature. Finally, the chase itself can cause stress and exhaustion in the prey, making it easier for the lion to immobilize and kill the animal. Lions typically mate during the day, and there are several reasons for this mating pattern. First, daytime mating helps lions avoid detection from other predators that may be active during the night. This allows them to mate without interference or competition. Secondly, lions prefer to mate during the day because temperatures are lower, which helps them conserve energy. Mating is an energetically expensive activity, and it's advantageous for lions to choose a time when they don't have to expend too much energy. Finally, lions typically sleep during the day, and mating disrupts their sleep patterns. By mating during the day, lions can avoid the risk of being disturbed while they are sleeping, ensuring a less stressful mating experience. If you've ever wondered how lions communicate, they use a variety of vocalizations to convey different messages. Lions can produce a range of sounds, including roars, growls, hisses, and purrs. Each vocalization serves a specific purpose in their communication. Roars are loud, deep sounds that can carry over long distances and are used for territorial defense, attracting mates and communicating with other lions. Growls are lower-pitched sounds that indicate aggression or a warning. Hisses are high-pitched sounds that express fear or agitation. Purrs are low-frequency vibrations that convey contentment or satisfaction. In addition to vocalizations, lions also communicate through visual cues, such as tail movements and ear positions, as well as olfactory signals, such as urine spraying and scent marking. If you've ever wondered why lions attack their prey's hind legs, it's because the hind legs contain major blood vessels and vital organs. Attacking the hind legs can quickly immobilize and incapacitate the prey. This also helps to prevent the prey from escaping or causing further damage during the capture process. By focusing on the hind legs, lions can minimize the risk of injury to themselves while maximizing the chances of a successful and efficient kill. Additionally, targeting the hind legs makes it more difficult for the prey to flee or evade capture, allowing the lion to maintain control and maneuverability during the attack. Now, if you would like to know more about lions, I do have some suggestions. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to learn more about various animals, please do check out my channel and hopefully I'll see you in another video soon.